Okay, this is Toshiba model M65 S9092, but this will probably work for any other M65 Toshibas. The hard drive, if you want to take the hard drive out, is down here. There's a slot. This is the hard drive, and it's very easy to remove. All you need is a little screwdriver. There's two screws here. You unscrew the first one. The screw is going to stay there. It's not going to fall off, so that's good. Then you take the second one. Then you pry open here. There's like a little tab here. Okay. Nope. I have to unscrew it a little bit more. There you go. And yeah. Another one. There you go. You open this. Now, once you have this open, you look for, there's a little plastic tab here. Okay? This little tab. Okay, what this little tab allows you is to slide it this way. Okay? You just pull it and you slide it. What that does, it unplugs the hard drive from its connection. And then you take the hard drive out and there you go.